Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, illuminate the term highlight. It's not just about brightness. There's more to this word. Let's spotlight the various meanings and uses of highlight. Meaning. So, a highlight can refer to the most important or memorable part of something, drawing attention to its significance. It can also mean to emphasize or mark with a bright color or light. Usage. Imagine pointing out the highlight of a movie or using a marker to highlight key points in a document. Examples. Think of the highlight reel of your favorite moments or the highlight of a presentation that captures everyone's attention. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhaɪ́laɪt, a term that brings focus and emphasis, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hair highlights? They're strands of hair that are dyed a lighter color to add dimension and brightness. Conclusion. If the concept of highlight brightens your interest, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more illuminating word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.